Welcome to the exciting world of drones. If you're a beginner looking to take to the skies, you've come to the right place. Whether you're interested in aerial photography, racing, or simply enjoying the thrill of flying, choosing the right drone can make all the difference. In this video, we will take a look at some of the best beginner drones available today, focusing on features, ease of use, and affordability. With advancements in technology, there's never been a better time to dive into drone piloting. So gear up as we help you find the perfect drone to kickstart your aerial adventures. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Force One Scoot hand-operated drone. The Scoot Mini drone, a perfect blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design, making it an ideal flying companion for everyone, regardless of age. You'll appreciate its hands-free operation, which allows you to simply toss the drone into the air to send it soaring, giving you a hassle-free flying experience. Safety is paramount, especially when flying indoors. The Scoot Mini drone is designed with an enclosed frame and equipped with infrared obstacle sensors, allowing you to navigate your home without worry. You can feel at ease knowing that it's built for a safe indoor flying experience. Charging your drone is a breeze too. With the included USB charging cord, you can power it up anywhere, and it only takes about an hour to achieve a full charge. In no time, you'll be ready to unleash your drone again. Enjoy up to 8 minutes of uninterrupted flight time, which is perfect for engaging in fun interactive games with your friends. At a price that won't break the bank, you'll find that the Scoot Mini drone offers fantastic value for entertainment. Whether you're capturing moments in the air or competing with friends, the Scoot Mini drone is designed to elevate your playtime. Get ready to explore the skies and experience the joy of flying like never before. At number 4, Holystone HS420 Mini Drone. If you're seeking a compact and accessible drone experience, the Holystone HS420 Mini Drone is designed with you in mind. This lightweight drone is perfect for taking on your adventures, ensuring you can capture stunning aerial footage wherever you go. Equipped with propeller guards, the HS420 enhances its durability, making it an excellent choice for beginners who want to learn without the fear of damaging their device. The user-friendly remote control, featuring a one-key start-stop function and intuitive joystick controls, ensures that pilots of all ages can enjoy flying this mini drone. Are you interested in performing tricks with your drone? With the HS420, you can toss it gently to launch and watch as it performs impressive stunts, including 3D flips, circle fly, and high-speed rotation. Plus, the accompanying app allows you to customize your flight path simply by drawing it on your screen, giving you creative control over your flying experience. Whether you're an experienced pilot or just starting your aerial journey, the HS420 caters to everyone with its high and low-speed modes. You'll find joy in every flight, unveiling endless possibilities in the skies. Embrace the thrill of flying and let your creativity take flight with the Holystone HS420 Mini Drone. It's not just a gadget, it's your gateway to adventure. Number 3, we have the Ryze Tech Tello Mini Drone. The Tello drone, developed in collaboration with DJI, is a compact and lightweight option, measuring just 100 by 100 millimeter and weighing only 80 grams. While it's constructed from modest-grade plastic, it stands out among toy drones by delivering a surprisingly robust experience. Unlike many other toys that feel disposable, the Tello is designed for extended use and enjoyment. Although it comes with a slightly higher price tag than its competitors, this drone offers solid controls and a flight range of approximately 50 to 100, making it perfect for beginners eager to learn the fundamentals of drone flying. With a respectable 13-minute battery life, you'll have ample time to practice and refine your skills. Plus, it features a 5MP/720p electronically stabilized camera, allowing you to dive into basic aerial photography with ease. As you embark on your drone flying journey, keep in mind that the Tello isn't a fan of windy conditions. It's crucial to choose calm days for flying. Otherwise, you risk losing your new gadget to unpredictable gusts. In summary, if you're seeking a reliable entry point into the world of drones, the Tello is an investment worth considering. Its blend of quality, performance, and ease of use makes it an ideal choice for those ready to take to the skies. Embrace the adventure and enjoy the learning process as you navigate your way through the exciting realm of drone aviation. At number 2, Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus drone. If you're looking to extend your flying experience, the Evo Lite Plus is an excellent choice. With an impressive battery that allows for up to 40 minutes of flight time, you'll have plenty of time to explore the skies. Its added weight contributes to stability in windy conditions, although it may feel a touch slower in response. However, this trade-off is minimal compared to the advantages it provides. One of the standout features of the Evo Lite Plus is its exceptional camera. Boasting a 1-inch sensor and variable aperture controls, it excels in various lighting environments, including challenging low-light situations thanks to its night mode. Whether capturing stunning landscapes or intricate details from above, you can trust that your footage will be both breathtaking and professional quality. When it comes to piloting, you'll find the controller reminiscent of an Xbox design, which offers a comfortable grip. While it doesn't have dedicated storage for removable joysticks like some DJI models, this is a minor drawback in an otherwise fully functional controller. Plus, if you've used a DJI drone before, you're likely to find Autel's app intuitive and easy to navigate. In summary, if you desire a drone that balances flight time, stability, and advanced camera capabilities, the Evo Lite Plus could be the perfect companion for your aerial adventures. Experience the thrill of flight like never before and enrich your photography with this innovative drone. And finally, the number 1 of our list, DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. The DJI Mini 4 Pro marks a powerful advancement in the world of ultralight drones less than 250 grams, designed specifically for aerial photography enthusiasts like you. Its compact size allows it to fit comfortably in your palm, making it the perfect travel companion for your creative adventures. With a 1/1.3-inch 48-megapixel sensor, the Mini 4 Pro enhances your image quality with impressive detail and vibrant colors. Retaining the 4K, 60 frames per second video performance of its predecessor, it now offers an exciting capability. Capturing slow-motion footage in 4K resolution at speeds up to 100 frames per second. This means you can portray everything from thrilling action moments to serene landscapes with stunning clarity and depth. If you appreciate the artistry of post-production, the Mini 4 Pro records in 10-bit D-Log-M, giving you ample room for color grading and enhancing your visuals. Plus, even without extensive editing, you'll find that your photos and videos shine straight out of the camera. The improved night mode is another highlight, significantly elevating low-light video quality, enabling you to seize dynamic shots even in challenging lighting conditions. In essence, the Mini 4 Pro is designed to enhance your creative possibilities with user-friendly features and superior portability, making it an exceptional choice for anyone looking to take their aerial photography and videography to new heights. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which beginner drone you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.